Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. I hope you're liking Vlogmas so far. In today's video, I am going to talk about some random favorites of 2021. So I'm going to be talking about skincare, a lot of skincare, makeup, and just other random favorites. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off with these earrings. I mean, if you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that these are like my go-to hoop earrings. Like I wear these almost for every single video. I love them so much. They are from Luisa, and I'm gonna link them down below. I'm gonna link everything down below. But these earrings are amazing quality. They are coated in gold, and they're like the perfect little hoop earring. Absolutely love. I love the shape. It's like kind of small. I also have bigger ones also from Luisa, but these are my favorite ones, and I literally wear them all the time. I mean, these are my go-to earrings, and they look still very shiny. I've had these for like about 2 years now, and I wear them all the time. Like if I don't know what to wear, I just wear these hoop earrings. Even if I need something a little bit more like casual, if I'm gonna go run errands and stuff and I need to wear something on my ears, because without earrings I just feel naked. So these are the earrings that I grab. These are my go-to hoop earrings, and I love them so much. They look very nice with pretty much any outfit. So yeah, totally recommend them. Like check them out. They really last such a long time, and they look really nice. So now I'm gonna move on to skincare. First, I just have to talk about the product that kind of changed my skin. These towels right here, best investment ever for your skin. These are from Clean Skin Club, and I found this on Instagram. And I was like, you know what? I have been breaking out so much. I had like those little bumps on my skin. I'm gonna insert videos and pictures in here so you guys can see. My skin was so rough, so bumpy, and I honestly think that my skin was just a little bit gross. Like it was just maybe not clean, you know? Like I was using my body towel to dry my face. And I know to some people it might not be shocking. Maybe some of you already do that. And I used to do that every single day. And when I stopped doing that, guys, I noticed such a huge difference on my skin. I feel like if you want nice, clear skin, you have to be clean. You have to keep your skin very nice and clean, because if you use stuff that's like gross and already has maybe bacteria, then your skin is going to react to that, and you probably will get some pimples. So definitely recommend checking these out. I buy like 7 boxes of these at a time because I just can't live without these anymore, and when I travel I also take these with me. So these are basically like little face towels. As you can see, every single time I wash my face, I use one of these. You know, I kind of dab my face with this, and then I throw it out, and that is it. So you just use one of these and throw them out, and then when you're gonna wash your face again, you use another one, throw it out, and that way you keep your skin a lot more clean. I promise you guys, definitely look into these. You will thank me later. And don't use your body towels on your face. I used to do that, and my skin was just, it was going through it. Let me just tell you that. If you want to use just like paper towels, then that's okay too. That's way better than using your body towel on your face. But I feel like these are so gentle on your face, on your skin, and these are made for like your face, for your skin. So yeah, they're like super gentle. I absolutely recommend. I had to include this in this video because I use it every single day. I've been using these towels for months now, and you can get like bundles online. Like if you buy like more than 3, maybe you get like 1 for free. So definitely check it out. It has no harsh chemicals, bleach, or dyes, and it's 100% biodegradable. It's 10 by 12 inches, so it's a big enough size to be able to like wipe down your face and your neck. And yeah, these are just so worth it. Anyways, let me move on to the next item. So another product that kind of helped my skin be a little bit more clean when I use makeup are beauty blenders. So this one's dirty right now because I literally just used it before doing my makeup for this video. These sponges are so worth it. I mean, I know that they're like 20 bucks, but I prefer using a sponge 100% more than a brush. When I was using brushes on my face to apply foundation, my skin was also so textury and I was breaking out so much because I just wasn't washing or cleaning my brushes that much. I mean, if you can clean your brushes like every single day, then go for it, use brushes. But I like using a beauty sponge because I can wash them and then use them right away. With a brush, you can't do that. With a brush, you have to wash it, let it dry for a couple of hours, and then be able to use it again. So that's why I was slacking with washing my brushes. But with the beauty sponge, I just even like how it applies my makeup a lot better than a brush, and I'm able to wash it every single time that I use it, and then just kind of use it like a little bit damp. And yeah, I'm able to keep it clean. I'm able to keep everything clean. So yeah, I have not gone back to using a brush to apply foundation. Maybe I use it to like apply powder and stuff, but not for foundation. So this is the only thing that I use to apply my foundation, my concealer, and I've been using it for at least a year now. So I feel like this really made a big like impact on my skin and how much more clean it feels now. Now let's move on to my foundation. So in 2021, I was using this foundation a lot and it was my favorite foundation, guys. This one is so good. This is from Joa Beauty. This is the Truly Yours Natural. I mean, I'm not even going to talk about this foundation because it's discontinued, so I don't even want to talk about it. I'm a little bit heartbroken, honestly, because I really liked this foundation, but it is discontinued, so I'm not even going to talk about it. But I really did like it, but it's discontinued, unfortunately. So I use this a lot in 2020, and I recently discovered this foundation. I've been using it for maybe about 2-3 months now, and I love it. It's honestly, I think, even better than this one. It's like more matte, and since my skin is very oily, I get very oily and shiny on my T-zone. This one is great for oily skin. So this is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. You guys recommended this foundation to me on Instagram. I was asking you guys on Instagram what foundation you recommend for oily skin, and a lot of you guys recommended this one, and I'm telling you, this is amazing. I also really like their concealer, but yeah, this one is just so good. So I got this in the shade Vanuatu medium 3.5, and I feel like this shade is pretty good on me. I mean, I think it looks fine. I would say it's a little bit orangey, but I'm able to kind of fix it with concealer, and I love it so much. This is my go-to foundation. I mean, I'm gonna repurchase this, of course, when I'm done with this one because it is so good. I know it's like a little bit pricey. It's like 40 bucks, and this one was only like 8 bucks, and I loved it so much, but it's discontinued. But honestly, I do like this one even better, and it is worth every single penny. I know it's a little bit pricey, but it is so good. It's very long lasting. It's like full coverage, and yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. So definitely recommend this one for people with oily skin. And yeah, let's move on to skincare. I have a couple of skincare products that I have been using a lot lately. So this one is actually the one that I have been using the most, I guess. This is also for bacteria, to kind of keep everything clean. This really also helped me kind of have more smooth skin, less textury skin. So this is the Clarity Get Balanced Probiotic Serum, and I would just use this at night before like my moisturizer and stuff. So yeah, I really like this. I really like this, but I've been using some other ones lately that I also really like. But this is my second bottle, and as you can see, I'm like almost all done with this product. So yeah, definitely recommend if you have like textury skin, and if you want something that's gonna like keep your skin also very clean. This also hydrates the skin and helps with fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I'm 27 and I have been using skincare products that are kind of more for that, for like anti-aging, oily skin, dark spots. I get acne mainly on my chin, like hormonal acne, so I've been using this cleanser, which also helps for that. So this is the Dr. Zenovia 10% Benzoyl Peroxide Acne Cleanser. So this is supposed to remove excess sebum, impurities, and buildup. And this is going to help with hormonal breakouts. So definitely check out this brand if you're getting hormonal breakouts. I definitely get some when I, get my period and stuff. I got a couple of like pimples on my chin, which is so frustrating because my skin scars right away. I got dark spots. It's like very frustrating. But I love this cleanser. It's really, really good for kind of keeping your skin very clean, and also just to kind of remove the excess dirt, oil, and it's just really, really nice. I love it for kind of preventing breakouts. So definitely check it out. I love this brand, and yeah, I think they have some really good stuff. So I'll link it down below. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to a skincare brand that is a little bit pricey. I know it's pricey, but guys, their products are so worth it. And I'm talking about SkinCeuticals. I don't know if you guys can see, but this one is completely done, and I absolutely loved it. I mean, there's nothing in there, as you can see, absolutely nothing in there, and I love this product. This is the SkinCeuticals Blemish and Age Defense. As you can see, this one, oh my god, I know it's pricey. I know it's pricey, but it really does help to kind of keep your skin looking so glowy. It helps to reduce dark spots. Your skin just looks way more young. I would just apply this at night, about 4 to 6 drops, and I would apply that before my moisturizer. But yeah, I feel like this product really did help to fade my dark spots, and I know it's a little bit pricey. I've been saying that for like so long now, but trust me, it's so worth it. I mean, if you can maybe get like a small size or something, I don't know, check their website and see if you can try like their mini sizes first before you buy maybe some of the bigger sizes. But this one is so good for like fading away the dark spots. These products really do help with kind of keeping your skin looking very youthful, very young. So yeah, definitely check out SkinCeuticals. I actually have these 2 new ones. These you can get as a kit, so I'm gonna link this down below, and you can actually get a couple of different like holiday gift sets from SkinCeuticals as well, so I'm gonna link those down below. Ooh, I don't want to break this. This is glass, by the way. But honestly though, when it comes to serums, I feel like SkinCeuticals has like the best ones, like for real. I love using these 2 products at night. This is the CE Ferulic. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is a combination of vitamin C and vitamin E and just some other ingredients, and this is supposed to help also with wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots. So you can use this in the morning, you can use this at night, and I've been really liking this one, so definitely check it out. I actually use these 2 together, so I'll use this one first and then I'll use this one. This is the HA Intensifier. So this is supposed to really help a lot with crow's feet and with fine lines, wrinkles, just to kind of make your skin look a lot more youthful as well. This is really gonna make your skin look super plump. I feel like this is more of an anti-aging product than this one. So if you are really looking into something that's gonna make your skin very like plump, very firm, just like overall more youthful looking, then definitely look into this product. I know I'm still pretty young, but I'm 27. I have to start using products for anti-aging, so yeah. I'm gonna link down below some holiday gift sets so that you can save some money. And yeah, let's move on to the next product. So another product that is really good for anti-aging is this one. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. So as you can see, I'm like pretty much done with this product, and this is my second one. So this is my favorite eye cream, hands down. Like this eye cream at night, oh my god, you put this at night and the next day your eyes just look very, very youthful. This helps to keep your under eyes looking very fresh, very awake. This also helps to keep the under eyes very moisturized. I use another eye cream during the day, but I use this one at night because it's very thick, and this is more for a night. Yeah, this is a night cream. This isn't even something that you can really use during the day. It's too thick. I know that this product is also a little bit pricey, but guys, invest in skincare. I'm telling you, it's so important. Like, if you have nice skin, like a nice canvas, then your makeup is gonna look really nice and smooth. And I'm only recommending these products because I've used them for a while now, and I've noticed a huge difference on my skin. But everybody's different, everybody's skin is different, so just because it works on me doesn't mean that's gonna work on you, and vice versa. So yeah, but these are my favorite products, like random products of 2021. Okay, so let's move on to the last skincare product. So these patches, oh my god, I've been using these for like 2-3 years now, and I love them so much. So these are the Peace Out Acne Healing Dots, and these are just so good for whenever you get a random pimple. Like if you just want your pimple to go away, literally put one of these stickers overnight and you will notice a big difference the next morning. It's either going to be completely gone, or this is going to like literally suck it out for you, which is, I know, a little bit gross, but it really does help to kind of make it go away a lot quicker. Even if you have like under the skin like big pimples, put this on and your skin will thank you later. This is gonna make it go down a lot. So yeah, definitely recommend checking these out. Okay, so my last favorites of 2021 is this little pen right here. So this is the Colgate Optic White Overnight pen. And you basically, this is like a whitening pen for your teeth. So you just kind of like brush your teeth with this. Like you first have to like literally brush your teeth with toothpaste and your toothbrush, and then before going to sleep you just apply this like a thin layer, or even like 2 layers if you want, and just leave this on your teeth overnight, and the next day your teeth will look a lot more white. Totally recommend checking this out. You can buy this at the drugstore, you can buy this like pretty much everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is actually tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye bye.